And hello, friends. Today, let's talk about something very simple but powerful: our use of adjectives. We often repeat the same common words again and again, like good, bad, big, small, happy, or sad. But if we add variety, our language becomes richer and more expressive. For example, instead of always saying good, you can say excellent, outstanding, remarkable, or even exceptional. Each of these words gives a slightly different shade of meaning. Now think about the word bad. We overuse it so much, but what if you said terrible, awful, dreadful, disappointing, or pathetic? Suddenly your description feels sharper and more powerful. The same goes for size. Instead of just saying big, try huge, massive, gigantic, or colossal. And for small, words like tiny, petite, minute, or delicate make your speech more colorful. And when it comes to feeling, adjectives matter even more. Saying I'm happy is fine, but saying I'm delighted, thrilled, ecstatic, or overjoyed shows your listener exactly how deeply you feel. Similarly, instead of just saying sad, you could use gloomy, heartbroken, dejected, or melancholic. And how about beauty? Instead of simply saying beautiful, try gorgeous, stunning, radiant, or graceful. For the opposite, instead of ugly, you could use hideous, grotesque, or unsightly. Even with speed, we have choices. Not just fast, but swift, rapid, nimble, or brisk, and not just slow, but sluggish, creeping, and unhurried, or tardy. So you see, by replacing these common adjectives with stronger alternatives, you make your language more lively, expressive, and professional. Next time you write an essay, deliver a speech, or even chat with friends, try using these alternatives. Words are like colors on a painter's palette. The more shades you use, the more beautiful your picture becomes.